So we just finished navigating across this glacier field with help from Nawang. We started around over there and then zigzagged our way up here. It was a pretty cool Sherpa shortcut because otherwise we would have had to go all the way over there and then back over here. But yeah, super unique experience to travel through that terrain.
Dude, get on us, man. Oh, wow.
We're gonna start drinking this in Golden.
Just hot lemonade.
So good.
Oh my god, guys, this looks wonderful.
Yo, I would bet that things not
Like,
Wait.
Devin just washed his hair off in the creek.
Yes.
And there's ice in his hair.
No way.
Today we are going over Chola, which means Lake Pass in Sherpa. It is a mountain pass that is, I think, like 17,600 or 700 feet in elevation, and part of it is glaciated. So we actually have micro spikes with us that we'll be using to go over the glacier and up and over the pass. This is definitely one of the parts of the trek that I've been looking forward to the most. Should be challenging, but a super fun day, and I'm excited to get started. We're currently at about 16,200 feet, cruising along. Definitely a little bit more tiring with full backpacking bags on instead of our day packs that we use for Gokyo-ri. So we made it to the top of this saddle. We're at about 16,900 feet right now. The rest of the group is coming up. He got the shoes, he got the money. The gang is all here now. Turns out we were wrong. It's not that. We're actually going up that over there. Taking a little snack break before we head up up there. Definitely feeling the altitude a little bit more today, especially with our big packs. For anyone who's ever climbed Little Bear Peak, I'm getting heavy Little Bear Hourglass vibes right now, except for I'm already at 16,800 feet and I'm carrying a full backpacking bag. Trevor right there. Stephen and Nawang up there. That was a f***ing push. Woo! The clouds just cleared.